October is more than just another month on the calendar. It carries a message of courage, unity, and awareness. It is the month of Pinktober, a global movement dedicated to spreading awareness about breast cancer. In this special video, brought to you by Tech Region, we shine a light on the science, technology, and hope that define the modern fight against cancer. Breast cancer affects millions of people around the world every year, and for decades it has been one of the most common and challenging diseases to treat. But what makes Pinktober so powerful is not just the awareness it raises, but the strength, research, and innovation that have come from it. It's a story of hope meeting science, of technology meeting compassion, and of humanity standing together for a future free from cancer. Let's begin with understanding why early detection is so important. Studies have shown that when breast cancer is detected in its early stages, the chances of successful treatment rise dramatically. Technology has made this possible. From advanced mammography machines to AI-powered diagnostic tools, science has evolved to help doctors identify even the smallest irregularities in breast tissue. Modern AI systems can now analyze thousands of images in seconds, learning from vast medical databases to highlight potential risks that the human eye might miss. This is where awareness plays a vital role. Pinktober reminds everyone, women and men alike, that regular screening can save lives. The pink ribbon, a symbol recognized around the world, is not just a color. It represents the strength of survivors, the courage of those still fighting, and the hope of families waiting for a cure. In recent years, technology has transformed the landscape of cancer research. 3D bioprinting, for example, allows scientists to create realistic models of human tissue, making it possible to study how cancer cells grow and respond to different treatments. This has opened new doors for personalized medicine, where therapies are designed to match an individual's unique genetic profile. Nanotechnology has also become a major part of the fight. Scientists are developing microscopic robots and nanoparticles that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, destroying them from within while sparing healthy cells. This reduces side effects and increases the effectiveness of treatment. Imagine a future where treatment is so precise that chemotherapy as we know it becomes a thing of the past. That's not science fiction, that's science in progress. Another breakthrough is in genetic testing. With modern DNA sequencing, doctors can identify specific gene mutations that increase cancer risk. This allows individuals to take preventive steps long before symptoms appear. The technology can even predict how a patient might respond to certain drugs, making treatments more targeted and efficient. But Pinktober isn't just about technology and science. It's also about community. Around the world, landmarks glow pink, from the Eiffel Tower to city skyscrapers, spreading a message of unity and remembrance. Every light represents a story of someone's battle, someone's victory, or someone's legacy. Even social media has become a powerful tool in this movement. Hashtags like #Pinktober, #BreastCancerAwareness, and #InStrength we hope spread knowledge faster than ever before. Digital campaigns remind people to schedule checkups, donate for research, or simply show support by wearing pink. Technology connects millions, turning awareness into action. Behind all these efforts are researchers, doctors, engineers, and volunteers working tirelessly to eradicate cancer. Many hospitals now use machine learning to study huge datasets of patient outcomes, helping to discover new treatment patterns. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing doctors, it's giving them superhuman insight. And every innovation brings us one step closer to understanding how to stop cancer before it starts. One of the most inspiring things about Pinktober is the resilience it celebrates. Every survivor's story becomes a source of strength for others. Families, friends, and communities come together to remind the world that cancer may be strong, but human spirit is stronger. It's a fight fought not in fear, but in faith and determination. When you see a pink ribbon, think beyond the symbol. Think of the thousands of scientists in labs pushing boundaries. Think of the doctors who work late into the night searching for answers. Think of the survivors who smile even after the hardest battles. And think of the technology that continues to change the future of medicine. The vision of a cancer-free world is no longer just a dream. Artificial intelligence, robotics, genetic engineering, and nanomedicine are rapidly moving us toward that goal. Each year, survival rates improve, treatments become more effective, and awareness spreads wider. Pinktober is not just a reminder of the fight, it's a celebration of progress. At Tech Region, we believe that technology and awareness walk hand in hand. Every innovation in medical science has the potential to save countless lives, but it all begins with awareness. Knowledge is power, and Pinktober gives that power to everyone to understand, to detect, and to act. As this Pinktober continues, let us all play our part. Share information, encourage loved ones to get screened, support research programs and awareness campaigns. Small actions today can make a massive difference tomorrow. In the end, Pinktober is not just about fighting cancer, it's about hope. Hope for a mother who survived. Hope for a daughter who's still fighting. Hope for a world where no one else has to suffer the same pain. It's about light overcoming darkness, about science leading the way, and about the human will to survive. Together, through awareness, innovation, and unity, we can move closer to a future where cancer exists only in history books. This is Tech Region, reminding you that every ribbon tells a story, and every step forward brings us closer to a cure. Stay aware, stay strong, and never stop believing in the power of hope.